King salmon, also called Chinook salmon, is one of the 5 species of wild Pacific salmon swimming through the Alaskan waters. The Copper River king is the largest and most nutritious of them all. King salmon will stay in the Copper River Delta for only 3 to 6 weeks.
It's really important for me to be able to make quick decisions. And when you're fishing in that area, you're a lot more exposed to Mother Nature.
They're hung vertically to catch the fish by their gills.
And what had happened there was, it was the first king of the day.